Hi viewers, here is a home remedy for diabetes. Bay leaves to reduce diabetes. Diabetes is a common problem all over the world. It is common among everyone irrespective of their age. Most of the people are using English medicine to control diabetes, which give only temporary relief. So we have to change our life by eating quality food, doing exercise, and by avoiding junk foods. You can reduce diabetes by doing this home remedy. For this we need bay leaves. Now let's start the process. Take a pan with some water and allow it to boil for 5 minutes. Now add some bay leaves to boiling water. And allow it to boil for another 10 more minutes. After 10 minutes, put off the flame and leave this for 1 to 2 hours. After 3 hours, take this water in a glass. And drink 2 to 3 times in a day. 1 hour before breakfast, 1 hour before lunch, and again 1 hour before dinner. Do this regularly for 3 days and take a gap for 2 weeks, and after 2 weeks, repeat the same 3 times in a day for 3 days. By doing this twice, you can reduce diabetes. This water regulates insulin production and controls diabetes. It lowers bad cholesterol and prevents heart diseases. It eliminates cancer-causing elements and promotes immune system. By doing this, you can control your high blood sugar levels. Thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe for more videos.